Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have created this look. This is a very wearable look, like someday if I feel very lazy, I don't wash my hair, but I still want to look glammed, so more put together. Here you can see my front hair is totally oily, and I applied some hair gel to set it like this to give a wet look. If you want to see how I have created this look, then keep on watching. So jumping straight in, I have already moisturized my face and applied a little bit of lip balm. So now I'm going to prime my face. The primer I'm going to use is this Smashbox Photo Finish primer. So this is going to cover all the pores, and it is going to even out my face. Next I'm going to use this color corrector from Fitme. So I'm going to cover the black spots on my face. I'm going to set this using a powder. I'm going to use this Maybelline Fitme powder, so that the cream product does not move along with the foundation and don't make the foundation orange. So for foundation today I'm going to use this foundation. This is from Sephora. This foundation is quite fluid, so I want to apply it using a brush so that it is spread evenly on my face. And also a little bit of the product I'm going to drag on my neck. Now taking a damp makeup sponge, I'm going to make a smooth texture on my face. Now it's the time for concealer. So I'm going to use this Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer to highlight under my eyes, bridge of my nose, and like middle portion of my face. Now it's the time for blending this product before it creases, and I would like to use my pointed end of the beauty blender or the makeup sponge. Now taking the foundation end of the makeup sponge, I'm going to even out the edges of the concealer so that concealer does not look harsh. Now I'm going to quickly set my under eye using the same Fitme powder. Fitme has got some loose powder also. It's not available in India, but the review of it is very nice. Now I'm going to set every place where I have applied the concealer. I don't like to rub the while applying the product. I like to dab, so that the underneath cream does not move around. And also not forgetting the neck, because we want neck and face to be even out. Next I'm going to bronze my face. So I'm going to use this Wet n Wild bronzer contouring palette. So contouring is not heavy, it's a slight shadow I'm going to create. It's not too dramatic, and not forgetting my jawline. This powder is really pigmented, and it's going to last you long, because you need a little bit of the product. And you can see the effect of it. I clean these brushes, and I find after I've cleaned it, the hairs are coming out. So I'm going to contour my forehead also slightly. Next, taking a fluffy brush, I'm going to contour my nose. Next I'm going to do my brows. So brows are very important. They should be well defined now, because of my forehead. I want to look my forehead portion more beautiful. Like I need to have more defined brows, because they are the main features for this look. So I'm going to use this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. So I'm going to go very close to the mirror now, because I cannot see anything. So this is very thin, and this one comes with a brush, spoolie, and the product. So I'm going to first comb my brows and make lines, define the shape of the brow. Next I'm going to take this Wet n Wild brow kit, ultimate brow kit, and fill the gaps using the darker shade. I'm going to fill the ends. I want to make sure the end of my brows are quite black. And the front being a little bit light. Now I'm going to set my brow here using the Benefit Gimme Brow. This is going to hold my brows, and I have quite long brow here, so this is going to make sure all my brows set in place, they don't move all day long. So quickly I'm going to finish off my other brow also. Now I'm going to quickly apply some eyeshadow primer. As usual, I'm going to use the same eyeshadow primer. This is the NYX Eyeshadow Primer. I'm going to quickly apply it. And also I'm going to clean up my places under my brows. So that the brows look too sharp. So I'm going to blend it with finger after applying it. And then set it with the powder, the same Fitme powder, before it creases. Now for my cheeks and my eyeshadow, I'm going to use this Color Bar blush in the shade Bronzing Glaze. So this is going to give me a healthy glow to my face. So I'm taking a little bit of it and slowly I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks. Oh my god, I think I took too much. If you think it is too much, you can take your foundation, you can take your makeup sponge and dab it around the edges. Now using a fluffy brush, I am going to use the same blush and apply it on my eyelids. Only in the crease. Make sure to blend the product nicely, otherwise it will look too harsh. I'm going to use the same product for my lower lash line also, using a small brush. So I'm going to take this brown eyeshadow from dark brown eyeshadow from Sephora and smoke out my lower lash line. This is going to give a fuller effect for my lower lash line. I don't want to apply black kajal. This is going to look more harsh, but I want to add a shadow there so that it looks like there are a lot of hair, lot of lashes. So I'm going to create a shadow there. Next I'm going to apply some mascara. Now I'm going to quickly apply some lashes. So the eyelashes I'm wearing, these are from Pro Art Premium Lashes number 006, and also I have applied a little bit of eyeliner. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. Now it's the time for highlighter. My face is now totally matte because of the powder product and all. So now I'm going to add a shine to my face, or the glow to my face, so that it does not look so matte. So I'm going to use this Becca highlighter in the shade Opal. Use the highlighter to highlight my brow bone. Now I'm going to highlight my inner corners, little bit on the front of my eyelids. Now I'm going to highlight the nose, first the tip of the nose and then bridge of the nose. I'm going to make a small exclamation. This is the dot and this is the straight line. I'm going to pick a little bit up. I'm going to apply it on the cupid of my lips. Now I'm going to take a big fluffy brush to apply on my cheeks. Little bit on the chin and a little bit on the forehead, because my forehead is visible, so I'm going to add a little bit of shine there. Next for the lipstick, so lipstick I'm going to make my lips more plumpier, more fuller. So for that I'm going to first line my lips. So I'm going to apply a matte lipstick, and on top of it I'm going to apply lip gloss to have the fuller effect. This is the L'Oreal Chocolate Bisous. So this is quite matte. I'm going to use this gloss by Lakme Absolute Plump and Shine. So I'm going to apply this gloss only on the center of my lips, not going to the edge. I'm going to use the setting spray by Color Bar so that it locks the makeup. This is the finished look. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have a giveaway video also, don't forget to check it out. And I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.